draw a snake / king cobra. Start by drawing a circle right here. Make sure you draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. And now, after that, add this curve right here as a guide for the snout. And then connect it to the circle. And now, draw a bigger circle right here. Okay, now after that, add a curve. Then, add this diagonal line. Then after that, draw this curve here. Now after that, add a curve. Draw like a curve. Then after that, add a curve. Then add another curve. Then add this curve going directly there. And now that's it for our initial sketch. Now let's make it more like a defined sketch. Start by drawing this circle as a guide for the eye. Add this angry eyebrow right here to make the snake more look aggressive. Draw this tiny white circle as a guide for the highlight and this black circle as a guide for the pupil. Make sure you shade in, but don't overlap the highlight in the top part of the eye. Now for the mouth, draw this curve, then go up, then go there, and then goes right there. Now after that, add this thing. Then after that, add this curve. Then add a curve. Then add a curve. Then go down. And now after that, add this part, then add a curve, then go down there, and add this curve, then add it for the body, add this curve going directly there, and then on the other side, add this part right here. Then after that, add the curve going directly to this. Then go right here. Then for the other side, add this part. Then for the tail, make a point right there. Then add this curve. Then add this curve going directly to the tail. And now, after that, add those curved lines right here. And now after that, add a curve and let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. This will take a while, but you have to be patient. And erase this part right here. Then erase this other part between those lines or curves. Then, after that, let's shade in this part. Now that we're done with the shading, let's add a cast shadow underneath the body of this cobra so that you'll never think that it should be floating. Now it's fact time. Did you know that a king cobra's hood makes the snake larger than it is? And it could also lift up to 1/3 of their bodies from the ground and they could still move forward. And also they live in somewhere in the Asia, and cobras can become aggressive when hungry or threatened. So when they do that, they put up their hoods and scare people away. Also, and that's it for this dangerous venomous animal. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.